Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use and how to how to use the extrude tool. It's very simple, but it's very powerful tool. You're gonna be using this tool very often because it's just like this. It's a main kind of like tool and feature in Blender. So now we are in object mode, but just select your cube and then let's go to edit mode. And here we have in this you can press T if you don't see this panel, and here we have extrude tool. Okay, if you click on it, now we can extrude, and we extruding right now the vertex, but we can change this from here. We have vertex, edge, and face. I'm gonna select the face now. I'm gonna select this face and just grab like this. Now as you can see, we extrude just the face, but we can also, as I said, extrude an edge and extrude a vertex. And that's just the main kind of just the main thing that you have to know in order to extrude, right? That's all you need to know. That's extruding pretty much in Blender, but that's just the basic of it, because there's way more other stuff that you have to know. But well, one of the things that I like to tell you is that you can also use, let's say you don't even have this panel here and you want to extrude. A faster way is to use A, and A is the hotkey for extruding. A, and it's much faster. It will save you a lot of time, and when you want to work fast and improve your workflow. Now there's also add-on and other things you can try, but you should just now learn the main stuff. Okay, you can also notice a shortcut if you select the face, and then you can also, extrude, but then extrude to an axis. So you want to press extrude, just select the axis. We have here the axis, and press T again if you want to see this menu. And here in extrude, we also have extrude along normal. So if you select, let's say I'll select this faces here, and then I will press Alt plus A, and then here we have this option, and I'll select extrude face along normals. Now look, I can extrude two faces at the same time. I can even do like this, and select this face and then this face. Make sure you hold shift. Oh, sorry, it's not. Make sure you hold shift. And then here, if I press Alt plus A, extrude along normal, face along normals. Look, I can extrude even more. So that's the hotkey is Alt plus A. And you can also select from here. You have options, right? But then you also have here on the top, we have mesh. Here we have a lot of settings as well. Vertex, edge, face, add view. For face, we also have here a couple of options. If you want to separate, duplicate, we also have this extrude, Alt plus E, the hotkey I just told you about. And yeah, I really hope you learned something. I know this is just basic, but if you're a beginner, I really hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more Blender tutorials. Thank you.